Hi everyone, it's December 2nd. I thought I'd take a quick walk with you all to look at a Carex planting we did. This is a residential planting we did about 3 years ago. This is the third growing season. We used 2.5-inch containers. The idea was to make the planting competitive with traditional ground cover, Pachysandra, Vinca, and Euonymus. So the decision you make isn't based on cost, it's based on what would be best suited for the type of planting that the folks that live here, and also healthy, and also the care for it. There's much less done here. We'll be mowing this next March. We don't rake any leaves. All the litter stays here. The leaves that fall actually live well with the sedges. See all the fold of the leaves that are in between them? So we're not hauling or raking away and taking to landfills. The sedges here are Carex bromoides. These beautiful green ones. It's slightly moist woods. Carex bromoides. Carex pennsylvanica. And we have Carex muskingumensis, palm sedge. Just moments of palm sedge because it can be very aggressive. The large matrix sedge is the bromoides, and pennsylvanica intermingled with it. And we also have Carex blanda. You can see Carex blanda with the wider leaves to give a darker green look and a heavier texture. We have Carex blanda mingled in. So it's really shaping up well, and it goes into the perennial garden. We can see the Millennia Paul Peterson, the Hackanachoa macra, and this Champsia gold top. So we have a nice transition from sun to shade in here. So we're really pleased at how everything did and how well the sedges filled in. They're terrific plants, and then we keep enhancing this. We keep adding plants to it in the spring. I think we're going to put some silene in here for a little moments of white, and we'll do that next spring. Again, we'll be using 2.5-inch containers. So thanks everyone. It's a beautiful day, and I'm glad I could share all this with you. Take care. Bye.